This video will show you how to replace the latch striker plate on an Andersen Luminaire retractable insect screen door. You'll need safety glasses, masking tape, and a Phillips screwdriver. You'll also need a replacement latch striker plate. If you need to order a replacement latch striker plate, please contact our customer care center at 1-844-813-6664 or visit the help section of our website at AndersenLuminaire.com. Before you begin, find the installation guide that came with your replacement latch striker plate. Be sure to read it completely, including all the cautions and warnings. You can also download the guide at AndersenLuminaire.com. To begin, with the door open, apply a strip of masking tape over each latch rail. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 latch striker screws and dispose of properly. Now, remove the latch striker assembly by rotating it out of the latch rail and dispose of properly. Rotate the new latch striker assembly into place so that it fits properly in the notches as shown. Be sure to orient the hook to point towards the weather strip. Align and center the new latch striker with the pre-drilled screw holes. Using a Phillips screwdriver, secure the latch striker with 2 screws. You can now remove the masking tape. Close the insect screen completely. If it is not latching properly, loosen the screws and adjust the latch striker plate up or down accordingly. Retighten the screws and retest. Repeat these steps as needed for proper operation. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the new latch striker plate on your Luminaire retractable insect screen door. If you have questions about care, maintenance, or repair, call our customer care center at 1-844-813-6664 or visit the help section of our website at AndersenLuminaire.com. Andersen, customer care is what we care about most.